Now we divide 837 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 3 and it is 23. 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 7 and it is 27. 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting we get 0. So 837 divided by 3 is 279. So this much for today and thanks for watching.